Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this non-slip socks. Yeah, these are awesome grip socks. And, of course, that are football socks, or soccer socks too. They are breathable and thread-proof. Unisex design, that means it's for men and women and so on, for all human beings. And, more. These are sports socks, padded crew compression stretch athletic socks for basketball, hiking and running and so many more possibilities. It comes in a set of 3 pairs. You can buy it in black or white. I choose black, as you can see. And with the non-slip pads on the bottom, these socks can greatly increase friction between the feet and the socks to protect our feet from sports. Professional athletic socks can also effectively improve the movement, acceleration, and speed changes. And of course, it improves sports enjoyment. And it's made of high-quality cotton. These socks have excellent moisture absorption. The large breathable mesh design on the instep and ankle is ideal for quickly absorbing sweat during training. This is keeping the feet dry and free and preventing odours. With the softer material, we can use this that we can make the contact feeling with our feet better. The socks do not contract, fade when washing in normal 40 degrees water. We will find the socks clean and dry quickly. And the football socks are thick and compact, wear resistant and bubble free. The thickened pads can effectively absorb the shock during sports and protect the arch of the foot. Effectively absorption of the sports impact and protection of the arch of the foot ensures our feet are more comfortable during exercise. And they're looking really cool, as you can see, isn't it? Yes, of course it is. We have a comfortable cotton thanks to the high-quality cotton materials. The socks adore inhibition and quick drying. With excellent breathability and all-around mesh design, the skin problems caused by inferior materials can be avoided. And on the bottom side, we have a fully non-slip design. There's a fully protective handle at the bottom, which increases the friction of the foot, reduces sweat and foot slip phenomenon, relieves the feet fatigue, effectively eliminates aching feet and painful blisters, strength, grip, and safety during sports and outdoor activities. Of course, it's good too for relaxing. The professional design of the arch compression not only provides better foot support and stability to reduce the fatigue, but also it prevents the socks from bunching up to ensure a lasting service life. The elastic bands also keep the socks in shape and adapt well to our foot. Really awesome and easy. The size is from 38 up to 45, or I have the 46 dimension, so it matches too. UK is 5.5 up to 11. You can see this socks nearly matches to every foot out there, isn't it? Yes, of course, you can see it matches to nearly all people out there. Easy, slip it over your foot. Easy, roll it down, job's done. Gentle and easy, non-slip socks. These are grip socks for football, soccer, and the breathable and sweatproof design. Unisex non-slip sports socks, padded crew compression stretch athletic socks for basketball, hiking, running, and so on. 3 pairs are in the box, and it's awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.